Considered one of the greatest and most structuralized mineral water companies in the country, the water mining Padre Manuel possesses a line of products with quality recognized and respected internationally. The company produces two consecrated mineral water brands, the traditional one, Passa Quatro, and the Água MAGNA, in packages that start with the 200 milliliter cup to the 20-liter bottle. All the two brands possess a very worthy international quality American NSF stamp, one of the most respected certifications in the food and drink sector in the world. Apart from these products, the company produces juices with the Fruitix brand in 5 flavors, the Energy Replacer Formula X and the delicious low-calorie P4 lemon soft drink. Even so, many people do not imagine all the way that the products make until the consumer. A process that starts here at Passa Quatro City, one of the most important mineral spring places in the country. Located at highlands of Mantiqueira, south of Minas Gerais, the city lies in a privileged region with an easy access to the cities of Rio de Janeiro and São Paulo, surrounded by mountains and rich in mineral water springs. The most famous is the Padre Manuel Spring, known for more than a century for the therapeutical properties of its waters. In this spring, an inox pump collects the water of an underground lode 70 meters deep approximately. The water is leaked by inox steam tubings onto the reservoirs that are made of the same material, preventing any type of contamination. Posteriorly, the water is directed to bottle. To assure that the product comes at the final consumer with the same natural characteristics of pureness that the water has in the spring, the company counts on an equipped laboratory of quality guarantee where it daily collects and carries through microbiological analysis of all the processes that follow the norms and resolutions of the Anvisa, National Agency of Sanitary Monitoring. Apart from this internal control, external analysis in the main laboratories of the country are carried through, and the quality control goes beyond. The same severity used is also applied in the bottle manufacture. That's why the company possesses in its industrial park blower machines that are responsible for the production of all used PET bottles in its bottling process. After the manufacture, the empty bottles are carried to the storage reservoirs for suction, using filtered air. In these reservoirs, totally aseptic, the bottles are conditioned until they are used for bottling. Connected to the reservoirs are the placers that receive the bottles and place them in timing belt conveyors. On the belt conveyors, the bottles follow until the washers, where they pass for the hygienic cleaning process. In the sequence, it starts one of the most important periods of the process, the bottling of the product. For that, the water mining Padre Manuel counts on a modern machinery in all its production line. In this way, the bottles are bottled and covered automatically without any necessity of handling the product. The same process is applied in all the product line. Mineral water Passa Quatro, MAGNA mineral water, juices Fruitix, and P4 lemon. Concluded this period, all the products pass for new and detailed evaluation in viewfinders equipped with fluorescent light bulbs, where is detected and rejected possible defective packages. Then, approved for the company's standard quality, the products are directed to the date registers that register in the packages the date, the hour, validity, and lot. The next step is the labeling of the bottles. Using hot glue, labeling apply the BOPP labels. Following the process, the products arrive at the packers that separate the bottles in groups and involve them in term shrinkable plastic. Once packed, the bottles are conditioned in pellets and are sent to the storage, where they wait the analysis and release of the lot for the quality guarantee. After so many stages, the product gets to the final phase, the expedition for the deliverers. All this process is still happening inside of the company. The product then is loaded in appropriate vehicles. For that, the company counts on its proper fleet trucking that makes the transport of the product in a safe way, keeping its characteristics preserved. Well, the rest of the process you already know. It is when the product finally arrives to the consumer in the stores, bars, restaurants, supermarkets, and many other shops not only in Brazil, as well as for many countries. So that you can always find a quality product with pureness and freshness. Mining Water Padre Manuel counts on its springs and its industrial park with 8,000 square meters of constructed area encrusted in an area of ambient preservation with more than 200,000 square meters of native forest. If you were impressed with our structure, access our site and also get impressed with our products.